I'm Linz, and I am back with another action figure diorama. I designed this ship deck diorama inspired by the Orca from Jaws. For some reason one day I was looking at my Jaws collection and I just thought it would be really cool and fun to have just like a little back of a boat kind of thing going on. So I designed all the accessories, the ladder, these canisters, the classic yellow barrels from the movie, and put together this really simple, yet I think very effective diorama. It assembles pretty straightforward, although I think I am gonna put a little glue on everything just to make sure it all snaps together really well. And you can see I have already actually put a little glue on some of the components. But other than a little bit of super glue, I have a few joiner pieces and the whole thing comes together pretty easily. Now it is just the back of the boat. I thought that would be just the perfect amount of display for, any action figure. This set is definitely scaled for the Jaws action figures, but they're not so much bigger than 1/12 scale. So if you had any 1/12 scale action figure, like a G.I. Joe or something, this would work for that. My brother sort of challenged me to design the rest of the boat. So maybe one day you will see an entire boat diorama from Linz Labs. But for today, we'll just stick with this deck section. So I printed this on my H2D, which has a larger print bed size. So I would kind of recommend only picking the files up if you have a large 3D printer. But if you don't have a 3D printer, I offer these files on my website, linzlabs.net. So I've been getting a lot of feedback for design elements, design improvements, as well as just ideas and inspiration. So please reach out to me or leave me a comment because I'm always trying to make these dioramas better, trying to make better dioramas for the future. So again, ideas, feedback, please let me know. And with all that being said, as always, I genuinely appreciate you taking your time to watch this video, checking out my diorama, and supporting my work. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill, and I'll see you next week with another display.